to give my yes to you today. I choose.
Good morning. It's Monday, the 27th of October, and I've got a lungo this morning. If you have your Bibles, 1 Peter 2 verse 2, 1 Petrus 2 vers 2. And like newborn babies, long for the pure milk of the word, so that by it you may grow in respect to salvation. Over the weekend, it was my grandson's birthday, and I spent time with him as well as the two younger granddaughters who are still drinking bottles. And man, when they get thirsty, they get adamant. Their life must come to a standstill so that they can get their bottle and be satisfied. The problem with us is we're so satisfied with a limited knowledge of God, with putting a couple of cents into the offering plate, with attending church when it suits us. We're so satisfied with knowing a little bit of the Bible. We're so satisfied with a prayer life that lacks power. We're so satisfied with praise and worship that is about the entertainment value, not the heart change response to God's goodness in our life. We're so satisfied with realizing that we haven't arrived yet spiritually and that there's so much we still have to learn. But we serve a dissatisfied God. We serve a God who has the pure milk of the word, which causes us to grow. And he wants to give it to us. He has it in abundance. And his grace is available to us. And his grace grows us every single day. It gives us the ability to do life with victory. It gives us the ability to do life as overcomers. It gives us the ability to do life with understanding. We're not dissatisfied. We're so satisfied with where we're at that we don't get that hunger cry like a newborn or a baby that is reliant on its parents to give it food. That child lets you know when he or she is hungry. We we just go through life, and what will happen. God's got a plan for your and my life. God het 'n plan. God is besig om jou te geestelik te laat groei. God is besig om sy beste vir jou voor te berei en 'n dag vir jou voor te berei waarin jy kan groei en jy kan nader aan hom kom en jy kan sy werke in en deur en met jou sien en dit elke dag. Maar ons is geestelik so versadig dat ons sien baie van die goed wat God vir ons beplan het nie eens raak nie. And so this week I want to call you out to seeing God's plan, to seeing God's dissatisfaction and not being negatively affected by it, but being positively encouraged by the fact that God is looking for ways to grow you, to mature you, to equip you, to enable you, to stimulate you. I mean, the context of this verse is, rid yourselves of malice, deceit, hypocrisy, envy, slander. If you've tasted the kindness of the Lord, then you'll put off those negative and you'll put on the positivity of God, and you will cry out for the milk, the pure milk of the word that brings growth in salvation. Think about it and get excited about it and look out for it to God's glory on this Monday.